Welcome to this meditation for overcoming your fear of needles. Getting an injection is sometimes necessary, and it could very well save your life. So let's find a way to make peace with this fear. In a moment, I will count down from 5 to 1. And you will imagine having an injection. But before you do, I would like for you to repeat these words. I am completely relaxed when having an injection. I am completely relaxed when having an injection. I am completely relaxed when having an injection. And even though these words are not true, say them anyways. I feel completely relaxed when having an injection. And now as I count down to 5, you will go into a visualization where you are about to have an injection. 5. Feeling good, knowing that you are confident when you get an injection. 4. Relaxing, no matter what. 3. Your body is so calm, so relaxed. 3. You always feel so relaxed when having an injection. 2. Nice and relaxed. And 1. And just imagine yourself having an injection and witness yourself completely relaxed while doing so. This is all within your imagination right now, so make it as relaxed as you want it to be. You are having an injection. It only takes a few seconds, and you're done.